Pray, pray, pretty day, pray, yeah, 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 yeah. Pray, pray, pretty day, yeah, 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 yeah. Pray, pray, pretty girls, pray, 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 pretty girls, pray.
Hey YouTube, Miss Chandler 27 coming to you with a cook with me sick day chili video. I'm feeling under the weather, and so I decided I was gonna go ahead and cook a big pot of chili, so therefore I don't have to cook for the next 2 days. And of course, we all know chili is soothing to the soul. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna turn my burner on 8, which is like near high, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut open. I have here my 2 packs of ground beef, Kroger brand. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open so I can get it on in a pot. And I just cut it open and plop it in there like that. I have a bag here to put the meat tray in. Go ahead and pop this one open. And guys, this is a 3-pound container of ground turkey. So altogether, I'm using 6 pounds of ground turkey. Put that to the side. Wash off my hands really quick. And get this meat sizzling. Alright guys, so here's my chili. I moved my camera so you all can see a little bit better the chili actually cooking and browning in the pot. I like to kind of get it a little bit brown before I start adding my seasoning, because although I'm using the chili mix, I still like to season my meat. That's just how I cook my chili. And so I'm gonna let that brown some more. And the only 3 seasonings that I'm using is my Lowry seasoning salt, and this is like a staple for me. And I'm gonna use the Kroger's black pepper, and I got this from Kroger's as well. This is just garlic powder. So these are the 3 things I'm gonna use to get my chili flavorful. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and then come back once my meat is browned.
Okay guys, these are the blueberries. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in.
All right, guys, here are the muffins, and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put them in the oven. All right, guys, so my meat is browned. It still have some juice in it, and I like that because I like to, even when it browns, I like to have it where it's still kind of cooking just to make sure it's done. I like my meat to be well done. I kind of just let the juice cook down until it's like almost none in the pot, because I just like to cook my ground turkey that way. The meat is brown now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the top back on and let it boil down some more with that juice. And okay, guys, so I got my muffins, blueberry muffins, in the oven cooking, and I have my ground turkey simmering in the juice. I like to boil my juice down, like I stated earlier, to where it's like almost gone. And so I'm gonna let that happen, and then I'll be back to show you when I put all the ingredients in the pot together.
All right, YouTube. So most of the juice from the ground turkey has dissipated, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my ingredients.
I got my dark red kidney beans, and I got my diced tomatoes that have the green peppers included, and I also have my chili seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff. And I don't drain the juice off of anything. I keep all the juice so it can marinate and get everything boiling together. And I still have the stove on high so everything can come to a boil, and then I turn it down so it can simmer. Chili seasoning, and I have 3 packs. Okay, I'm gonna stir everything together. All right, guys, as you can see, it is simmering together. All the ingredients looking good. I'm gonna turn the stove down so everything can simmer slowly together. All the ingredients looks good. And this again is all store brand products to make chili for 2 days. And normally, guys, we eat our chili just with crackers. I don't like eating it with rice. I just like chili and crackers. Chili to me is like a alternative to soup. So it's like good to my soul. All right, so everything's together. I'm gonna return the lid to the pot, let everything simmer together. As you can see, I have my muffins in the oven baking. They looking real pretty and fluffy. Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say subscribe.
Bye-bye.
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 Okay, YouTube. My muffins are done. As you can see, my blueberry muffins are done. My chili still slightly simmering, but it is done. And so, YouTube, that is the end of my video. Got my muffins, got my chili on a budget, lasts for 2 days, sick day chili. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Getting new to making, different type of videos, but I do enjoy making videos, so I will be making more. And you know, just sharing different things that I do in my world, Miss Chandler 27. So until my next video, you guys, be blessed.
Pretty girl, pray, 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 pray.